So the ArcDevs stream has been busy. I didn't even upload for 3 months. That doesn't mean I was working all the time, but this is the result. Riko V3, an AI for Telegram. It has a lot of stuff and some cutting edge AI. Now let's see what we actually managed to put together. Right, so it greets you, mentions your name, and a lot of other stuff. Offers help, features, and a community link. But we are here for the chat part. Let's see how it handles a basic greeting. It pre-fills a bit, so that is nice. I added that. It's processing the complexities of how are you, a true test of modern AI. It claims to be doing good. Now for something a bit more challenging. An attempted humor was made. Points for trying. Rico. If you tell Rico your name, it might just remember it instead of defaulting to a user ID. Alright, now I'm gonna ask it to generate an image of a shark.
Trallallero trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah.
It generated something and now it's describing its own creation. Okay, time for a practical test. Real world data query. It's thinking, and there's the forecast. Even got the correct date for next Sunday. Now a multilingual test. We're gonna ask it to generate a sentence in Chinese, English, and Japanese.
Riko V3 is the best bot on Telegram.
Riko V3 是 Telegram 上最好的机器人。Riko V3 は Telegram で最高のボットです。
It also handles code generation, outputting to a zip. We will skip the deep dive on that for now, just know it's a feature. Now a practical application, egg timer for 2 minutes. It's a high stakes operation. On the back end, we monitor things like activity, API consumption, the usual operational metrics and buttons for when we need to be administrative. Let's see now what Riko knows about me. If you didn't know, Riko can make custom bio of the user it's talking to. For those interested in this exclusive DM experience with Riko V3, here's how it generally works. You will get a menu. Payment options include UPI for Indian users, scan the QR code or use the ID. International users can use services like Zoom or Wise to send to the UPI. After payment, you send your user ID, which Riko conveniently provides, in a payment screenshot to the admin. Then we will manually activate your subscription. So that's it for Riko V3. Soon we will make this available on Discord, so stay tuned for that. And we are also working on the desktop assistant Falcon we were talking about. So yeah.
Your go-to AI with a personality that's as sharp as my coding skills. Rocket, I'm here to help you with everything from debugging your code to scheduling tasks, analyzing images, and even generating new ones. Paint palette, whether you're stuck on a problem or just want some real talk, I'm your guy. And don't worry, I'll keep it real, no fluff, just straight up honesty with a side of sarcasm. Winking face. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on the latest content. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on what's coming next. See you in the next video.